Guruji, please tell us first chakra.
There are totally 7 chakras. First one is called Mooladhara or root chakra. Root chakra is situated between the genital and anus. It has a square shape and a lotus with 4 petals. Root chakra is associated with the earth element and its connections are to strength and fear. Every chakra is associated with some elements, and earth chakra is associated, earth element is associated with root chakra. Root chakras, the body structure, skeleton, teeth, large intestine, kidneys, blood vessels and blood in the body is associated with the root chakra. Psychological functions of these chakras are survival and self-preservation. This chakra gets developed in the human body from the womb to the age of 12 months. Planets which governs this chakra are Saturn and Earth. The sense related to this chakra is smell, and the sense organ related to the chakra is of course nose. It has 4 petals, as I said you. The mantra for this chakra is lung, and vowel related to this chakra is O. Emotions related to the petals are joy, pleasure, controlling passion, and happiness or blissfulness. When the chakra is blocked, you feel misery, pain, insensibility, and miserableness. These symptoms can be treated by the petals mantras, and mantras for the petals are Vang, Shang, Khang, Sang. The metal related to this chakra is gold, and stones related to this chakra is jasper, bloodstone, black tourmaline, etc. Now why we say what are these related? Food is also related to chakras, and food related to the first chakras are carrots, potatoes, beetroots, radishes, onions, garlics, egg, meats, beans. Spices related to these chakras are chives, paprika, and pepper. What does all this mean? Meaning is that human body is made of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Out of that, everything what earth has got to do with is governed and stored in the root chakra. If you feel the lack of earth energy, you can utilize any of these tools. You can wear gold. You can eat these foods like carrots, potatoes, beet, radish, onions, garlics, eggs, meats and beans. And you can utilize these mantras. You can utilize the mantra Lang, 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 and those negative emotions dies off. When you feel lack of joy, you can use the mantra Bang. When you see the lack of pleasure, you can use Sang. When you have no passion, you can use Khang. And when you feel miserable for blissfulness, you can use Sang. This is a very short in about the root chakra. If you want to know deep things about the root chakra and how these mantras behaves and how they work on our human body, how and what impact these food and spices has got on the human